Mr. Brain, not 2.
Once upon a time, there lived a young elephant in the forest who had no friends. So, the lonely elephant wandered the forest looking for friends. It came across a monkey, then asked, "Will you be my friend, monkey?" The monkey declined to be the elephant's friend and said, "You are too big and cannot swing on trees as I do, so I cannot be your friend." Next, the elephant saw a rabbit and asked, "Will you be my friend, rabbit?" The rabbit turned the elephant and replied, "You are too big to fit inside my burrow. You cannot be my friend." Then the elephant met a frog and asked, "Will you be my friend, frog?" The frog refused to be the elephant's friend and said, "I am sorry. You are too big and heavy. You cannot jump like me, so you cannot be my friend." So the poor elephant tried to inquire the same to all the animals, but it got the same reply, "No." The very next day, Elephant saw all the animals in the forest were running away in fear. The elephant stopped a zebra and asked what was going on. To which the zebra said that a tiger was attacking all the animals. The elephant wanted to save all the animals, so it decided to meet the tiger to stop the attacking. Then, the elephant nicely asked the tiger to stop, but the tiger told the elephant to stay out of the way. Seeing no other way to solve the problem, the elephant kicked the tiger and scared it away. So the tiger was frightened of the elephant and ran away. The other animals then realized that the elephant was the perfect size to be their friend. The moral of this story is friends can be any shapes and size. In this story, all the animals first thought that the elephant was too big and not fit to be their friend. But in the end, when the elephant wanted to save all the animals from tiger's attack, they understood how good-hearted and helpful the elephant was, and requested to become his friend. So, this story helps us understand that in friendship, the size doesn't matter, but the person does.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.